What's up everybody? Today is the day Samsung did it. Samsung really did it. So you might wonder like what the heck did Samsung do? Like they gave us the best animations, apps openings, apps closing. They maybe fixed some of the annoying jitters when you open the camera, or let's say when you try to touch a file. No, it's none of that. All right, let me show you. I'm gonna open Speed Test and I'm gonna click Test, and all right, it's an application that apparently is able to test your network speed. But do you see what I see? First things first, my 5G speed is not the best, but let me zoom in on this. Do you see what happens here? Today is the day that Samsung finally gave us the network indicator in the status bar. All right, I know. By the way, this is not new for Samsung in some regions. I think it works China, Korea, I'm not sure, but I've seen that before. And this all ties back to this lack of a logic where Samsung is gatekeeping a lot of these things. In the past, like Good Lock itself and all the modules, geofencing things like call recording based on CSC, but there is a very good reason in Europe, GDPR for example. But today is the day where finally we can get around this. There is an update for QuickStar that, by the way, works on my S26 Ultra, and I'm using Android 17 One UI 9 Beta 2, and yes, there is an update of QuickStar. Now, what the heck is QuickStar? QuickStar is a module that can help you edit your panel. All right, so you can add up your panel style, and you can do a bunch of nice things. I could probably show you some of it, but we're here for something else. And today we're witnessing this heroic effort from Samsung to finally bring to the masses, to all the regions, the network speed. Show network speed indicator. I mean, it's here, right? You see, now no indicator, boom, there is an indicator. Of course, it works also in Wi-Fi. Absolutely. Indicator here, boom, no indicator here. Now, what is interesting to say is that in some of the regions, when you go inside your settings and you just type something like status bar, all right, and you click the status bar here, you're going to have that option straight away. And this only reminds me on things like the camera assistant, which are some very cool features that apparently you can access via your regular settings. This is going to be down below inside the camera. Scroll down to camera assistant, where we have again a bunch of other settings, right? And the camera assistant, by the way, yes, this is a very legit standalone good module. I'm going to show you, this is the camera assistant. Customize your own camera settings, and you might see why this is a bit frustrating. All right, not for me, because apparently I get to make this video, and yeah, nobody probably will care. But anyway, here we are, 2026. Today is the 12th of June, and we now finally have the network speed indication. Something that should be a pretty basic thing, don't you think, Samsung? Stay safe.